DisplayPort to HDMI adapter converts a DisplayPort output on your laptop or desktop to HDMI for easy connection to an HDMI-capable display, monitor, or HDTV. Supported resolutions. Supports HDMI displays up to 3840 by 2160 at 60 Hz, 4K, resolution. Standards. VESA, DisplayPort, certified. Compliant with VESA Dual-Mode DisplayPort 1.2, High Bitrate 2, HBR2, and HDMI 2.0 standards. AMD Eyefinity compatible. Will convert from DisplayPort on computer to HDMI on monitor only. Not bidirectional and not compatible with gaming consoles, DVD, Blu-ray players, or USB ports. Note your source and display both need to support the desired resolution. 2-year warranty. We love our Plugable products, and hope you will too. All of our products are backed with a 2-year limited parts and labor warranty as well as Seattle-based email support. Connect an HDMI-equipped display to a DisplayPort-equipped device. Connect additional HDMI displays to AMD Eyefinity or NVIDIA Surround capable graphics cards. Small and sturdy, so it can go where you go. Top reviews from the United States. Square HDMI to angle HDMI adapter quick fix. I was happy and surprised how quickly the pluggable active DisplayPort to HDMI adapter work. Considering I had a HDMI cable that was squared on both ends. This adapter allow me to use my PC laptop that has angle HDMI and my monitor that has square HDMI to work with no issues. Plug and play.